So in the last video, got that all wired up. Now we're working on this manifold, trying to put this back on. Still waiting on some parts, so that's why we're just kind of messing around. But
Corona got us messed up.
Hope everybody's staying safe with this virus. And we'll do what we can.
So we cleaned this carburetor. Kind of looked like this one before. So definitely looks a little bit better. Inside and everything. Everything's nice and smooth now, so hopefully it works fine. We're gonna hook it up. Oh, I think the bolts are over there. Grab those
Where at?
on that table. So tight. How much room to work here? Oh, jeez. There we go.
I'll hold it.
Huh?
I said I can hold it.
Yeah. That'd be cool. There we go. All right. And tighten her down. There we go. Oh. You just need to tighten it all down. Maybe even smaller. I don't even know if there's enough room here. Bro.
So we got the carb mounted on there. It's coming together.
Yeah, we're waiting on the parts. You ordered them like 10 days ago, maybe?
Yeah, no, not even. It was like 7 or 8 days ago.
Yeah.
But I ordered the junction box that goes right here, and all the wires from there to the coil to the starter. So pretty much I got everything else we needed to get this thing hopefully to turn
Did we
over.
order a new starter switch?
No, I don't think we ordered
No,
the starter
I think
switch.
we should probably order a new starter switch for that too. But yeah, then the guy said due to the coronavirus, it's gonna take a little while, right?
Yep.
Unfortunately.
Gonna get parts to us while he can, so
Yeah, as they come into him,
yeah.
he'll get them to us, so just waiting.
So we got another part in. Hopefully this might be the last thing we need just to get this thing going. We're gonna see what we got here. Don't want to cut myself.
Blade stinks.
Yeah. See some wires. Ooh. So we got the coil to the distributor cap wire.
Let's see if we can clear that
So-
up. There we go.
We got an extra one for that because we already got one of those. Here's the coil wire.
Cool.
Looks like the terminal box
Sweet.
with the script. So that's the Ford version, not no cheap one. That's it on there. What is this small thing in the truck?
It went back behind there. All right, so we figured out the wiring here. We got a couple pictures from online that we found. I don't know if you can see it really well, but this is the wire that we do have. We are missing one. This is gonna be this one. They just haven't sent it yet due to what's going on, the whole virus and all that. I guess they're just a week behind on it, so we're getting that one here soon. He said he'll send it when he gets it. But this one's basically gonna go, it's gonna go the red from the positive through here to the ignition. Let's see. Then we'll have, it's gonna have a black and yellow. That's gonna go from here to the amp meter, which I just had somewhere. And it's gonna go to the discharge side, I believe. Yeah, discharge side. Then the yellow that's on the same is gonna go from the amp meter to the passenger side, which is where this yellow is. This wire, we basically have this one, how it's gonna be. It's gonna go these sides of the terminal box, one to the ignition here, ignition switch, and then one to the generator. And then we have the small black cable coil wire. That's gonna go from the negative down to here on the terminal box. And after that, we should basically be good to go. Here's the ammeter, I found it. So we're gonna have the discharge side and then the charge side. And that's gonna be the black and yellow, and the yellow will hook up there. And after that, we'll be good to go. We'll hopefully be able to fire it up once we get that other cable in. And we'll get some gas in the carburetor and we'll see what happens.